Okay guys, so I'm about to do something really crazy. So I am currently in the Walmart or my local Walmart parking lot, and I am about to attempt to do a $10 makeup challenge. Basically, I'm going into Walmart and seeing if I can buy enough for a full face to do a $10 makeup challenge. So yeah, this is going to be like a vloggy style of video until of course I get to my studio back at home. So yeah, let me go ahead and run into Walmart because it is very hot outside and I have the car off and the AC is not on. So yeah, let me see what kind of damage that I can do with $10 in Walmart. We are in Walmart, the Walmart beauty section. So let's see what we can find. Okay guys, so let's see what we can find here. So let's start at, CoverGirl's really cheap, I believe, if I remember correctly. Actually, no, that's like my whole budget. So let's kind of move. Yeah. Yeah, makeup's gotten makeup's really expensive. So let me go on over to like the e.l.f. section, if I'm gonna be completely honest, so I can get more bang for my buck. So, okay, so we have a dollar mascara, so we can definitely pick that up. e.l.f. didn't really have anything that I wanted to get for this full face challenge. So right here I'm at like the Revlon, L'Oreal type of section. So let's see what they have to offer us. e.l.f. So let's see here. Let's see here, we have some Black Radiance. Ooh, so we got some Black Radiance foundation here. We can definitely try that out as far as the challenge goes. Let's see here. So we have all these different shades right here, from like a light skin tone to like the deepest of the deeps. Okay, so the last thing that I'm probably going to pick up, because this is $1 right here, this e.l.f. mascara, and then the foundation is $3, $3.80 something, and the eyeshadow palette that I have here is like $2.80 something cents, so I'm about at like $7 or $8, so I'm gonna pick up some lipstick, and that'll be it, because I don't want to go over budget. So I know Wet n Wild's pretty cheap, so let's actually Wet n Wild and e.l.f. We don't have e.l.f. lipsticks at this Walmart, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild lipsticks that we have right here. So what color should I go for? I have purple eyeshadow, so I think I should go with more of a more nude lip, just to kind of balance everything out. Okay, so I am out of Walmart now. So out of everything that I bought, my subtotal was $9.64, so just under the $10, but with tax, of course, I went a little bit over with 55 cents because the lipstick that I got was priced wrong. So yeah, guys, whenever you go to Walmart, just make sure you get that right pricing, because some things are just not labeled correctly. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go home and try these products out. Didn't get much as far as $10 goes. We'll work it out and I will figure it all out when I get back to my filming space. Okay guys, so I am back in the studio. I have my bag here of everything that I purchased. So I guess the easiest thing to start off with is foundation. So for foundation, I picked up the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup. I've actually tried this before, like a long time ago, and I don't even remember how I felt about it, but I decided to pick it up again to see, how I feel about it all these years later. And this foundation is actually pretty affordable. It's a $3.49 I spent on it, and I have the shade in Brownie, and basically it says it's ideal for all skin types and gives you a natural finish, I'm assuming that it's saying. Yeah, and it's oil free. So I have the color in Brownie. Like I said, let's go ahead and put it on my face. It does have this kind of like spatula applicator. I don't really care for applicators like this, but I am just going to put the foundation on the back of my hand. I don't think this is the right color for me. It might be a little bit too light, but we will see. And to apply, I'm going to be using the NYX number 3 brush. Okay, color's not bad at all. I think I could work. I can definitely work with this color. Okay, so far the foundation is looking good. So far this foundation is looking pretty decent. It's a nice, like, it's not full coverage. It's like a nice medium to medium full coverage, which I don't mind at all. So I think I'll be using this foundation again. I might have to try, I definitely want to try some more Black Radiance products because I do like their lipsticks, and I do enjoy, I really like the BB cream. I use the BB cream as a primer, and that's really good. So I definitely say check that out. Okay, so foundation is on. Foundation is actually pretty good. So next thing that I'm going to do next, I didn't get concealer because concealer wasn't part of the budget, and I didn't get any powder to set the makeup because that wasn't part of the budget. So I guess we can move on to, let's actually move on to this. So I picked up the e.l.f. volumizing mascara, and it is in black. I'm going to see if I can use this to fill in my brows. We will see how this goes. Okay, so far it's not bad. It is a little bit dark, but you know, we can do what we can. I can actually tone it down by adding some of the leftover foundation over top. Brows are on. They're not like the best looking brows in the world, and they're like a little bit kind of dark. So I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I use for foundation, and I'm just literally gonna tap right over the brow. Let's move on to eyeshadow. So I picked up this cute little eyeshadow trio right here. This is the Black Radiance, what is this called? Urban Identity Shadow Trio. And this is Desire. So it has 3 different like purple tones in here. So let me open it up. Okay, so since there is no real like transition shade in here, so I'm going to go into this purple shade right here on a flat brush, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. And I'm gonna take the same color, and I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm literally just going to kind of blow that out in my crease. So when I was in Walmart filming, I've never filmed like in public like that before. So it was kind of like really awkward because people are like looking at you like, what are you doing? Especially in the area that I was in, it was kind of like, okay, first of all, you're already a guy in the beauty section, and then you're also recording and like talking to yourself in the camera, like what's going on? So it was really awkward. So I do apologize if like that vlog portion was kind of like all over the place. It was my first time doing something like that. So if I do it in the future, I'll definitely try to get better at it, but it was like super awkward, and like people were looking at me, and I was just kind of like, okay, yeah, let's kind of make this real quick. Now that we have some shadow on our eyes, I'm gonna take this kind of shimmery, like light purpley color right here, and I am going to pack that on the inner portion of my eyelid. So I want a little bit more intensity on the eye, so I'm gonna pick some more on this brush here, and I'm going to spritz it with some, this is not Fix Plus, this is water. I'm just gonna spritz it with some water, and I'm gonna see how that works. Last, I'm gonna take this deeper shimmery purple right here, and I'm going to pack that on the outer portion of my lid. So I'm going to take that same mascara that I use for my brows and use it for actually what it was actually made for, which is a mascara. Okay, so this mascara is definitely a no-go for me. I've been really picky about my mascaras lately ever since I had that experience with the Wet n Wild mascara, and this is doing pretty much almost the exact same thing as the Wet n Wild mascara. The final thing is lips. So for lips, I picked up speaking of Wet n Wild, I picked up this Bare It All. The color is called Bare It All. It's just a Wet n Wild lipstick. Okay, so now that we have the packaging off, this is a lipstick that was supposed to be 99 cents, but it was like $1.60 something. So this is the lipstick that sent me over, a little bit over $10. So let me go ahead and put this on. The packaging is very, this is the packaging. It's very like it's cheap packaging. It's very cheap. Okay, this color is a lot more like pinker than I thought. I would definitely wear a liner with this. Okay, so this is my full face of products, only using $10 worth of makeup. It was definitely a challenge a little bit just because I was missing some steps, but all in all, the thing that I like the most out of everything is I like the foundation. The foundation is actually pretty good. Now the foundation is kind of clinging on to some like wrinkles that I have up top, not my expression lines, but like actual like wrinkles. Oh my god, fine lines that I have up here. So nothing that a primer couldn't fix, or making sure my skin is prepped properly. If you guys want to see a full face of Black Radiance products, definitely give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you want to see that, or if there's specific Black Radiance products that you guys would like me to try out. I think I'm pretty close to having almost a full face of Black Radiance products, so I think what's left is I haven't tried the concealer, and I'll try some more eyeshadows and primers and things like that. So that may be an upcoming video soon. Now the product that I hated the most out of everything is, where did I put it? Did I throw it away already? The product that I did not like the most is the mascara right here. It is not good, like not good whatsoever. As far as the eyeshadow goes, the eyeshadows are decent for the price, definitely decent for the price. If you are on a budget, these are some decent eyeshadows. I really like this kind of deeper purple right here. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this full face of makeup for only $10. It was kind of like my first like going out and buying makeup live type of experience. So if you guys want to see more like vloggy style, like makeup related videos, definitely leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out my previous video where I am talking about my filming setup. I just uploaded that, so if you're interested in how to kind of get started with a YouTube setup on a budget, definitely check that out. If you aren't already, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I can reach the people of YouTube land. But like I always say guys, I will catch you later in another video.